In this video, we'll look at SSL inbound inspection and SSL forward proxy features in OCI network firewall. SSL inspection on firewalls plays a crucial role in enhancing security by decrypting and inspecting encrypted traffic for both inbound and outbound communications. For inbound traffic, SSL inspection ensures that incoming requests to internal servers are safe. For outbound traffic, it allows you to monitor and secure connections initiated by internal users or applications. Both inbound SSL inspection and forward proxy are crucial for identifying threats hidden within the SSL encrypted traffic, all while maintaining the integrity and security of the data. The main difference between SSL inbound inspection and forward proxy SSL inspection lies in the direction and purpose of the SSL traffic being inspected. We need a SSL certificate to decrypt and re-encrypt the traffic that are flowing via the firewall. Here we use OCI Vault service for certificate storage. OCI Network Firewall seamlessly integrates with the OCI Vault service to securely store and manage SSL certificate. When using SSL certificate with the network firewall, the service validates the provided certificate and stores it in the trust root for secure use during traffic decryption. To ensure successful validation, supply the complete SSL certificate chain, including all intermediate certificates, the root certificate, and the private key. Certificate must be uploaded in .pem format, wrapped within a predefined JSON template. Oracle has created a script to generate and convert the SSL certificate chain to the proper format. What are the search requirements? SSL inbound inspection requires a public certificate and private key in the cert key pair. In this case, the certificate authority flag doesn't need to be set true. SSL forward proxy inspection requires a public certificate and private key in the cert key pair, but the CA flag must be set to true, so the firewall can impersonate the certificate and decrypt the outbound traffic. Let's look at SSL inbound inspection. SSL inbound inspection moves through the following steps. The administrator imports the copy of the protected server certificate and private key using OCI Vault service. An external client initiates an SSL session with the server, sends a request to the internal OCI site, for example www.oracle.com. The traffic matches the decryption policy configured in the OCI network firewall. The SSL inspection engine on the OCI network firewall intercepts the SSL session and using the uploaded certificate key pair decrypts the traffic. If the inspected traffic is allowed by the policy, traffic is re-encrypted and forwarded. Let's look at the configuration. The firewall will not store the certificates, it will only use them from the vault. Let's navigate to Identity and Security, Key Management and Secret Management, select Vault and create Vault. Give it a name and create. Under the vault, create a master encryption key. Under secrets, create a new one. Under the encryption key, select the key that was created previously. Now select manual secret generation, type as plain text and paste the secret content. It must be in JSON format. Do refer the official documentation for format of the certificate. Now edit your firewall policy to add a map secret by navigating to Identity and Security, Firewalls, Network Firewall Policies. Under Map Secret, add a new secret. You need to fill in the following data. Give a friendly name for your secret. Secret type, select SSL inbound inspection. Select the vault that was created earlier. Select the secret and its version. Under Decryption Profiles, create a new profile. Give it a name and select SSL inbound inspection. Under Decryption Rule, create a new rule. Then in Rule Action, select Decrypt Traffic with SSL inbound inspection and select the decryption profile and the map secret created earlier. Once the rule is created, navigate to your firewall to edit it and select the firewall policy and save changes. With this configuration, Firewall is ready for SSL inbound inspection. Let's look at SSL forward proxy inspection. The SSL forward proxy inspection moves through the following steps. The administrator imports a copy of a certificate issued by a certificate authority or self-signed certificate and private key using the OCI Vault service. The client initiates an SSL session with the server, sends requests to, for example, www.oracle.com. The traffic matches the forward proxy SSL decryption policy configured on the OCI network firewall. The SSL proxy engine on the firewall intercepts the traffic and generates a certificate for www.oracle.com using the internal public key infrastructure, the certificate signed by the CA certificate. For the client, the firewall appears as the external server, even though the secure session is established with the firewall rather than the real server. The firewall sends the client SSL certificate request to the server to initiate a separate session. From the server's perspective, the firewall appears to be the client, so the server is unaware of the mediator and proceeds to verify the certificate. The server sends a signed certificate to the OCI network firewall intended for the client. The firewall analyzes the server certificate. If the certificate matches the policy and profiles you configured, the firewall generates an SSL copy of the server certificate and sends it to the client. Under decryption profiles, create a new profile and select SSL forward proxy. Under decryption rules, create a new rule, then in rule action, select decrypt traffic with SSL forward proxy and select the decryption profile and the mapped secret created earlier. Once the rule is created, navigate to your firewall to edit it and select the firewall policy and save changes. With this configuration, firewall is ready for SSL forward proxy inspection. Thank you.